Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, today we're going to turn a Dollar Tree piece of wall art into an expandable wallet. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you guys so much for showing up for me. Thank you so much for the wonderful comments that you leave. And thank you so much for the encouragement that you give to others in my comment section. Today, we are going to make this awesome expandable gift wallet, and we're going to be using a piece of Dollar Tree wall art to do it. This is going to be some very unique paper crafting, and I know that you're going to enjoy this. So I'm going to give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here's a closer look at the wallet that I've already made using one of those small pieces of wall decor from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, it is expandable. So we have 2 pockets in this one. The one we're going to make today, we're going to have 3 pockets in it. So you can see how expandable and flexible this is. This gives you many opportunities to be able to put various things on the inside. You can put cash, you can put gift cards, you can put coupons, ephemera, whatever you like. But when finished, this wallet is going to measure 8 by 3. You're going to love it. Here's what we need. So I have 3 pieces of cardstock, and this is more of a light to medium weight, and I have it cut at 9 by 6. I have 1 piece for the inside liner. This piece is 10 by 10. We will trim it down. And then I've already cut down the piece of Dollar Tree wall art that I'm going to be using. And when we finish cutting everything down, we are going to have a piece that is approximately 8 by 9. So I'm going to bring in this piece of Dollar Tree wall art so that I can show you how to remove it. Now, if you don't have a Dollar Tree, there are probably stores around you that sell these cheapo pieces of canvas-like wall art. That is what I'm using, so you can probably find it very, very cheaply in your area. So all I'm going to do, and I'm not going to do the whole thing, I'm just going to show you how I'm removing it. I am just taking my finger blade. This is the front, and I went to the fold over side, and I'm cutting. So all I'm doing is cutting all the way around like this to remove the canvas. And so that is how I got this canvas piece. And I really do like this piece. I like the gold that's running through it, but I also love the abstract look of it. So what I've done is I have a piece of 10 by 10, and I've run it through my Xyron. Now, if you have the Xyron Create a Station that is up to 9 inches wide, you can use that for this project. Just cut your paper to 9 by 10 instead of 10 by 10 or 9 by 9. I just gave myself a little bit of extra room for trimming purposes. But if you don't have a Xyron of any type, you can use your spray adhesive. I'm spraying the adhesive on my paper, but you can also spray the adhesive on the back of your vinyl. So what I would do is I would test it first on a piece that I don't mind losing. So if you're buying these, buy one that you really aren't fond of and give it a test to make sure that you're going to get a good stick no matter what you're using. Or you can always use adhesive sheets that come in the larger sizes, or you can use tape, but just make sure you get total tape coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and just peel off this backer sheet. And the backer sheet is one that I would keep because I can use it if I'm making my own stickers. I already have a backer sheet for those stickers. So now I'll take this piece and we're just going to start placing it down. And I'm going to try to place it down a little bit at a time so that I can hopefully not get any bubbling. So once you have that down, you're going to want to go over it very well with your bone folder or your big old spatula, whatever it is you might be using, because you want to make sure that you have a good stick. And then all I'm going to do is just place this in so that I can start trimming away the excess sticky. So we're just going to trim on all 4 sides. And hopefully I'll end up with a piece that is fairly close to 8 by 9. All right, y'all, so what I was able to end up with is a piece that is 8 5/8 by 8 1/2. And so even though this is a little bit shorter than 9 by 9, that's okay, because I want to be able to have a finished wallet size that is at least 8 inches wide. So as long as I have at least 1/2 inch, I'm able to accomplish that. So we're going to take this piece and we're going to score at 1/4 inch, and we'll rotate it to the opposite side and score at 1/4 inch. And this is really more of a process video now, because what I've noticed with these wallets, the sizes are different. None of them have exact sizing, so you just have to roll with the punches and go with what you have. I have this piece here, which is about 8 1/2, but that's not going to matter because I know what I want my measurements to be. So I'm going to score here at 3, and then I'm going to score here at 6 1/8. So this is going to be what I need to be able to make my wallet. So as long as you have a piece that is at least 8 1/2 by 8 1/2, you're going to be good with making this wallet. So now all I'm going to do is just fold and burnish on my scores, and you'll notice that I scored on the paper side of this because it's just easier. So now I'm just going to take this piece and go ahead and get that fold. I don't have as much fold over as I would like to work with, but we can make it work, y'all. So we're going to fold over there, and then we fold over here. So now all we're going to do is everywhere that we have a fold, we're simply going to notch out a V on both sides of that fold. And I have a fold here, so I'll do that here. And then here at the end, I'm also just going to angle in a little bit. Then we do the same thing on this side. We have a fold there. So we're notching V's on both sides of those folds. And then I'll angle right there. So now I'm going to take my tape runner or tear tape and just put some tape there and fold over. We'll put some tape here and fold over. And we just fold in all of these side pieces. And the reason why we put the V's in is because it helps it to close easier. You don't have that bulk at the folds. So we're just folding over. And we're going to do this on this side as well. You can use tear tape. You can even use glue, because basically we're sticking the paper to the paper. So y'all, now we're going to make the pocket, and I've already made 2 pockets for this. So we're going to take those pieces that measure 6 by 9 on the 6-inch side. We're going to score at 1/4 inch, at 3, and at 5 3/4. Then we're going to rotate it to the 9-inch side. Let's score at 1/2 inch. Turn it to the opposite 9-inch side and score at 1/2 inch. Then we fold and burnish all of our scores. And then just like on the wallet where we have our scores, we're going to angle on both sides, and then we'll remove corner pieces. So we angle on the end piece, angle to remove that. Then on this side where the fold is, we angle on both sides of that score mark to create that. And then we angle here to remove these corner pieces. Then I'm going to take my tape and we're going to fold over these two pieces here. And guys, if you are watching this video and you like it and you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join. I'd love it if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, because I try to bring you guys some of the best paper crafting tutorials on YouTube. So now on one end, we'll take these two and tape them down. Fold that over, fold that over. Let's get that stuck. So now we're going to take these pieces and fold them over and add the tape or the glue, whichever one you might be using. We're going to add that. And then we're going to take this and fold up. Already made two pockets, and now we're going to take our pockets and join them together. So I want them to be flexible and expandable. So when I place my adhesive, I'm going to place that adhesive like that. And so I'll take one and just stack it. Like this. Have a little bit of wiggle room to get it straight if I don't have it as straight as I want it. Then I can take another one, add that glue right there in the middle, and we can take this one and put it down like this. And we want to make sure that we have these nice and stuck. And then before I actually attach the pockets to the wallet, I have two pieces that measure 1.5 by 8, and I'm going to score on the 1.5 inch side at 3/4 of an inch, because I want to add some toppers to the edges of the wallet. I'm going to take my tape, put my tape down. If you know someone who's graduating, this is a great idea. If you know someone who might be getting married, this is a great idea. If you have anyone that you want to give cash or gift cards to, y'all, this is a great idea. I'm going to peel away that tape backer, and we're going to take these pieces and just put them on top. Like this. Just gives us a little finish to the wallet. I chose to go with the black and white to match mine, but if you're doing black and white, you can certainly go with a pop of color on yours. So let's go ahead and get that stuck. Now when I put the wallets down, I'm going to place them in right here, and then we fold up. But in order to keep it in place, I am going to use my tape, and I'm going to place my tape like this. Peel away the backer, and I'll place my tape right here. Peel away the backer. And so now, y'all, when I put it down, we're going to have expandable openings like this. So when I take it and I place it down, I want to make sure that I am not placing it down on my score mark. I didn't. And so now I'm going to take some more tape and we're going to do the same thing again. So I'm going to put that tape there. Peel away my tape backer, and then I'm going to add tape here. Peel away my tape backer. And so now all we have to do is take this and fold it until it meets like that. And so now you're able to see that we have a really nice 3-pocket expandable wallet. So to close my wallet, I am going to rely on Velcro. So I'm just going to take a Velcro dot from the Dollar Tree, place one right there, and I'm placing 2 Velcro dots on this. And then we'll place one right here. And y'all, there we have another really beautiful gift wallet. This time it has 3 pockets in it instead of 2. Now you can go back if you want and you can add an embellishment here to the front, and you can also place something on the inside if you like, but I think I'm just going to leave this one plain for right now because I haven't decided what it is that I might want to add to this. But this is your process for making your own 3-pocket expandable wallet. This one is made the same way. I just happen to have 2 pockets in it. So y'all, there we have our beautiful, beautiful gift wallets that were made using some Dollar Tree home decor pieces for the wall. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.